Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about apples, and I have a list of specific food and flavoring combinations that are known to work well with apples. So if you're looking for some new recipe ideas, hopefully this will help you out. The list is long, so I've broken it up into two parts. This is part one. I'll have a link to part two below. Combine apples with allspice, cinnamon, cloves, ginger, maple syrup, and oranges. Combine apples with almonds, cinnamon, and rosemary. How about apples with apple cider vinegar, greens of your choice, maple syrup, and walnut oil? Apples with blue cheese and celery. Apples with brown sugar, caramel, and cinnamon. Apples with caramel and nuts of your choice, but peanuts and pecans would work well. Apples with cheese, like blue cheese, greens of your choice, nuts, like pecans and walnuts. Apples with cinnamon, cranberries, ginger, maple syrup, raisins, and walnuts. Sounds like a yummy fruit salad. Apples with cinnamon, dates, and oatmeal. Yummy breakfast there. Apples with cinnamon, honey, and lemon. Well, this concludes part one. Stay tuned for part two. I do hope this helps. Bye for now.